This is cement for pointing, natural stone wall. So it's 1 lime, 3 sand, and we've got a bit of dye in it as well. We've got to make it a bit darker than what it is.
Just to blend in?
To blend in. So we've got a mixture of 3 tubs of this of sand, 1 lime, we've got half a teaspoonful of dye, and then we're just mixing it in now with the water. It's the easiest way to mix it in rather than try and do any other fancy things. So we have a natural grey colour. As long as you mix the ingredients up well, like the sand and the lime, you should be wearing gloves for it and not get it on your hands, but that's just how it is.
Show everyone your sweaty t-shirt.
My sweaty t-shirt. This is my sweaty t-shirt.
Because it's
30 odd degrees here. So we do a little bit. This is my last batch this morning, so I'll stop after I've done this. Because this gets too warm and it'll dry too quickly, and it'll just start cracking. So there's no point in doing it. You're better doing it first thing in the morning or very late at night.
Got to make sure everybody's hydrated, don't we, Lily? Have a drink then, stop guarding the water.
This is Daisy the camel.
Daisy is the camel.
I think she's got 2 humps and she fills them up.
Daisy, let Rosie have a drink. Daisy! Daisy!
I'm not finished taking my litre of water yet.
Daisy! Rosie, have a drink. Rosie?
I'm going to drink.
No. No, want a drink? No. Okay, too hot for doggies. We going in? So, John did this end wall yesterday, which we needed to do just to tidy it up. And he's now starting on this side. Oh, you've done quite a bit this morning.
Yeah, but it'll start getting too warm now, so it's time to... The bottle's just a little spray, because you're going to put it in, you need to wet the stone a little bit. It'll just help it bond to it.
And we've got quite a bit to do.
Yes, we have. We've got all the other side to do.
Sorry to interrupt your video, and I'll let you get back to it right away, but I just want to ask you, if you're enjoying this, could you please like the video, and would you mind subscribing to my channel? We're trying to monetize the channel that will give me more time to spend in the orchard. Not that I really need an excuse, but that lets me make more videos for you. So hit that button, please. So while John's doing his pointing, I've watered this morning, and this poor wee tree, which is a liquid amber, is suffering a bit in this drought, and we have watered it, but it just needs more because there's so many big trees round about it that are sucking up the moisture. You can see the grass is basically hanging on by a thread. So I'm going to give this a drink, and then I'll give it a drink again tonight.